Yes. No. We are not investigating. So we went there to look. We went there to see for ourselves and to take the pictures of the site so that.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Nsuom TV. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Kpebu has lied. And he is lying because I believe he is coming face to face with reality. Which reality is that there is an illegality that we are all keeping quiet over. And the illegality we are all keeping quiet over is the illegal oral that was set up by President-elect then John Dramani Mahama. An illegality. Now, it so happens that this oral formation and constitutional formation is becoming the topic, and a lot of people are weighing in on the conversation. People are asking, what is the purpose of oral? Are there not bodies that could do the same thing that oral is asked to do? Are there not civil servants that are paid to do the work that John Mahama, His Excellency, is asking oral to do? Who are the very people who are part of this whole oral thing? From the chairman to the members, don't they all have question marks? Are they saints? And then, is oral just to hunt NPP appointees? Or as it is, oral is going to go back to even the first term of John Mahama. His appointees, the likes of Sedinam and the rest, who had stolen money during the first term of John Mahama as president, is oral going to hunt them also? These and many are some of the questions. These and many are questions Ghanaians are asking. And these are well-meaning Ghanaians. These are not even people who might be affected one way or the other. Well-meaning Ghanaians. And now, moving from just these questions, the question of constitutionality, legality of the whole body called oral. What is the backend legislation for oral? There is nothing as such. What is their mandate? What is their funding? Now, we are told now that oral is just supposed to gather claims, gather information, and then submit a report to the president. Okay, if that is the case, how long is oral going to be in existence? What are the deadlines? What is the timeline for submission of the reports? What is the approved modus operandi of oral? To what extent can they go to places? Because clearly, what is happening right now is harassment. There are no two ways about it. People are being harassed. Private citizens who are going about their daily business are being harassed by Okujeto, Ablakwa Honorable, and his associates, all in the name of oral. And what we are seeing clearly has nothing to do with collection of information, as Kpebu Esquire is claiming.
Yes. No. We are not investigating. So we went there to look. We went there to see for ourselves and to take the pictures of the site so that we can put in the report. That's not an investigation properly so-called. It's to make sure that, yes, it's true. Some people have built on the land. It's true that government property is being vandalized on the land, etc. So that it means that we've checked. Because you wouldn't want to write about stuff that you don't know about. If somebody says, can you imagine, the petition is saying they vandalized government property, and you can see them in the picture. If we hadn't gone there, Mr. Kaku, would you have seen what was happening?
Okay, so Mr. Kpebu, thank you.
It's okay, you see.
Thank you.
I said, we are answering. We are answering, but it's very, very legal. Lawyer Daku knows it. But you know, it's politics too, so he has to be saying.
No, you see how they are struggling with what they want to do there? How, if you want to determine ownership of a land, where do you do that? Is it not the Lands Commission? You want to go to the Lands Commission to determine whether a land belongs to the Republic and that it had been sold or is being given free of charge to somebody. When you go to the Lands Commission, you get a history of every land.
That isn't it. In fact, it is far from it. What we are seeing now is disgracing people. Disgracing people. Because look, if you are a working committee, number one, you are not even backed by law. What you are even doing is not legal. But you are being tolerated, you are being entertained. And you have been given a tip of that, look, maybe so and so is building on a government land. Go and check it out. You do not know if the person as it is guilty or not. So when going to check out that information, you don't go using fanfarism. You invite media men, tell them you are going here, they follow you with their cameras. You go and capture the faces of innocent Ghanaians who are working on site. You go and start questioning people. And you say that is just information gathering, or that you are verifying information you've received. If it is information gathering or you are verifying information, then how does the media always know your next step, where you are going, where you are headed, which house you are going to, which lands you are going to visit? How is the media always aware of it? It's all because of fanfarism. And what is happening now is what we know as witch hunting. It is clear and straightforward witch hunting. Because there has been change of government. And so everybody is now a suspect. Or you want to make the outgone government unpopular. Even in the midst of the difficulties Ghanaians are facing, they are telling you this is not the urgent matter at hand. They are telling you, please, we are living in darkness. There is water shortage. Fuel shortage is up next. Food shortage in the senior high schools. All these are on the minds of Ghanaians. And all our attention is on, or all the attention of NDC is on, is to witch hunt, go after innocent citizens whose only fault is that they decided to serve their motherland. What is the whole objective reason behind this? When Iyoko is there, when OSP is there, when Shraj is there, AG's department is there, police is there, CID is there. Why? What is the need? If not for fanfarism and for showmanship and witch hunting, what is the need? We are told oral is not going to use resources of the state. So we must know the funding behind oral, because they are traveling, they are using cars, they are using fuel. Today, for instance, we are told they are going to Kumasi. Who is funding oral? Who is funding Honorable Okuyeto Ablakwa and his committee members? Who is funding? What is their source of funding? Who is buying them fuel? Who is paying for their hotel bills? Who is paying them their sitting allowances? We must know. These are important questions that NDC, the government of John Dramani Mahama, must, as a matter of urgency, come out and answer now. Say no to Aura. Aura must be abolished as soon as possible. It's just a waste of time, unnecessary fanfarism, evil witch hunting. This has been the political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Nsuom TV. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, cheers, see you in the next one.